the engine was knocking, but it really wasn't knocking because it was, that's the word I'm trying to find, any internal parts. It's knocking because of the harmonic balancer and that, I don't know if you can see it or not, but that pulley that's attached to it. Someone was off-roading it and they bent that. I'll show that to you guys in a second. I also had to change out this pulley. Went bad on it. Did finish that project. I just didn't edit it right. It was a shock. If you can see it or not, but right here. It's hollowed in. There's also a crack in it. Right there. Goes through. So that was making the engine knock. See it better in that angle. And it knocking causes the seller to sell it to me. Bought it for pretty cheap because of that. Also had a busted out back window, which I'm gonna change out today. See how far I can get. Had the tarp over it because it's been raining recently. You don't want to, get a whole bunch of water in the cab. All right, let's see what we can do. That's all the old screws in. I gotta take out and scrape this clean. It's gonna be a little bit, but it's starting. Got them all off. Yes. See what chemicals I have. Scrapers I got to get this off. Alright, let's check it out. Trust me, boys, I'd be wearing gloves if they had them at the store right about now, but everybody's got the Rona, so I gotta do the best I can with what I get. Alright guys, so this is a pretty much cleanest I'm gonna get it. That's what I got. I had to use brake cleaner, razor, sandpaper, and a Bondo knife. So I ended up using some gasoline. I ended up helping a lot to get it off. Just clean off with some Windex. There's gonna be some spots. This ain't gonna be perfect. It's a little beater truck, you know, ain't nothing special. I end up having to clean it off a little bit later with, maybe I'll just get some rattle cans and give it a nice little makeover. I'm not sure yet. Alright, let's check out this windshield. Back glass I got. Alright, a little unboxing. Bring it over to that table. Alright, let's see what we can do. This is what we got. Pretty good package on it. Came with some tape. It's got the screws that go through it and the bolts. Those are kind of MIA at the moment. Alright, let me grab a razor. I don't know if I need any help yet putting it on.
So my dad's trying to cut this open and put it on that broken back of the truck. Alright? That's what he's doing. And once my dad gets this open, it's going to take him a couple of days to get all the glass on.
What?
So you can just watch this video here and we're going to do some more of, we'll do part 2. I put it like
Can you
into
get off the table, please?
Okay.
Alright. Goes in the groove around the whole window. Do this. Definitely don't want to start in the top in case there gets a leak. There'll be a seam, so you want to start on the bottom. Oops.
Actually, I had to get on the back of the truck. Yeah, my dad just put this on out a minute ago. So, and Dad's trying to figure out how to keep this stable. And it's pretty hot. Yeah, I'm really sorry about the noise. There's just like police, firemen, ambulances. It's going everywhere. So I'm show you. Oh, Dad, can I show him the engine? Daddy, can I show him the engine? Okay. I want to show you guys the engine. What it looks like. The engine's pretty crazy. I want to be careful because I don't want to drop you guys in it. Yeah, I'm really sorry about that noise. Yeah, that's all from the wrapper. Okay, I'm sorry I said about part 2. This is not going to be happening in part 2. It's all going to be happening in part 1. I'm really sorry. So that I just got confused. I don't know how long it was.
What a pain in the butt.
Yeah, I'm sorry he said that.
Finish this project up. Still tight all the way around. Get all the nuts tight. Gotta clean it off, and I'm gonna go ahead and sell this truck. Alright, off to the next project. See ya.